Welcome to Perimeter of Square, 5th grade maths. Perimeter of square is equal to the sum of the length of the sides. And a square has 4 equal sides. So to find the perimeter, as stated, we're going to add the length of the 4 sides. So P equals 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and that is equal to 16 feet. Another way we could find the perimeter of a square, since a square has 4 equal sides, we could multiply the length of the side by 4. So we could say P equals 4 times 4 feet, and that is equal to 16 feet. Next, find the perimeter of a square with length of sides 12 centimeters. So we could use it 2 ways. P equals length plus length plus length plus length equals 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 equals 48 centimeters. And we can also have P equals length times 4. That is 12 times 4, and we have 48 centimeters. And there you have it. Thanks for watching this brief review on perimeter of square. I hope you find it very helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe.